Welcome back. So in this particular session, we are going to we are going to uh, learn about sorting of records using the order by clause. So order by is actually gives the records that uh, in a particular order. So for example, if I select, so the select employee, I got the default one, which is 1 to 10 records. I got in a different order, right? So here the employee ID order, the records inserted in this particular order, so that's where the records has come for us. But if you want to get in a different order, right? So I want to get the records from the different based on the department, right? Order by department. So if you take order by department, you have creative, customer service. So it's came from C, E, F. So it's an alphabetical order. By default, alphabetical order is an ascending order, right? So in the ascending order, you have received the records, and that you can achieve by providing the order by statement. Sorry, order by the clause provided by the uh, MySQL. So if you want to mention the specific order you want to receive, you can also mention the keyword that is async. Sorry, it's ascending order, right? And if you want to mention the records that you want to receive in a descending order, okay? So for example, if you see the records, the ascending order, it will give the same order of whatever we executed here. But when we execute this query is actually gives the records from descending order, which is Z to A, right? This ascending and descending order is actually is can be applied on any column of the table. You can use it for numeric values, or you can use it for the varchar columns, and you can filter the records, right? Sometimes you might have a requirement of filtering of the details with different, right? I want to use the department as an descending order and employee name is an ascending order. So in each department I want mm, so I want the employee names in alphabetical order in each department. So for that, if you see this query, right? So if you see this query, the order by, so if you see department is descending, right? Sales came first, marketing came next, IT came next, human resources, and blah blah blah, right? S to C we have received in the department. But if you take an IT department, it has a developer, manager, tester. So DMT, which is an alphabetical order, which is an ascending order. So that's how the records have been filtered. So the idea of showing this record, in particular your use case, you can utilize the ascending and descending for any of the column that you want to do that. Any of the column that you want to order uh, as per your choice that you can choose. So another interesting thing that we have within MySQL is you can combine the where and order by clauses. Let's look into some of the queries where we can do that. So if you take this example, right? So select employee ID, employee name designation from employee table where department is IT, and I want to order it by employee ID, right? So for example, if you see, select the records. When I select the records, I get 1 to 6, right? And whenever I choose that order by employee ID, I still get 1 to 6 because it's already natural order. But if you want to see whether this is working or not, let's try in this way. See, you can the where clause is applied, and after the where clause it's also applied the order by. So whenever you try to fetch the records from the table, right? So whenever you try to fetch the records from the table, select will be executed first, and from will be executed next, then where will be executed next. After you get the where results, then order by will be executed after that. So that is how the order of execution of the statements in the MySQL database, right? So if you want to try in a different ways, yes, you can definitely do that. Okay, so select employee where department in IT, right? And I can say finance. Okay, and I'm ending that. And if you see this query you execute, yes, you definitely get the results for both the departments. So I'm not printing the department. Let me print the department here for your this use case, right? So if you see, you received an IT, you received a finance, IT. Okay, so where clause is applied, right? After where clause is applied, order by clause is applied. Order by is based on the employee ID, which is in the descending order. So if I want to go with an ascending order, yes, definitely it will be an ascending order, and all the records will be readjusted. So we are getting the records based on the departments, but order by is applied on this, it's not applied on the department, right? With that said, I'll take a pause here, and we will continue having the discussion about further select statement queries in the next session. Thank you for watching.